Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with TaskRabbit affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start your journey with the TaskRabbit affiliate program, first, visit the official TaskRabbit website. Scroll down to the footer section and find the link labeled affiliates. Click on the affiliates link to learn more about the program. You will be redirected to a page detailing the benefits of the TaskRabbit affiliate program. Read through the information to understand how the program works and what it offers. Once you're familiar with the program, locate the Sign Up button on the page. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the application process. You will be directed to a registration form that requires your basic information. Complete the form by providing your name, email address, and any other required details. Create a strong password to secure your account. After filling out the form, review the terms and conditions for the affiliate program. Make sure to agree to the terms by checking the appropriate box. Submit your application by clicking the Submit button. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email acknowledging your application. Check your inbox for this confirmation email to ensure that your application is being processed. It may take some time for your application to be reviewed, so be patient. If approved, you will receive another email with your affiliate link and additional resources. Save this affiliate link, as you will use it to promote TaskRabbit services. Familiarize yourself with the marketing materials provided in the welcome email. These materials can help you effectively promote TaskRabbit. Start by sharing your affiliate link on your social media channels, blog, or website. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard that will be available to you. Now you are ready to promote TaskRabbit and earn commissions through their affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.